So the first thing we need to discuss about in this course is what data management is. So data management is a set of practices and guidelines that establish the proper procedures for acquiring data, storing and organizing data, processing data, securing data, as well as complying with data privacy and protection laws and regulations. So you can see that data management actually governs the entire life cycle of data. Now, why is data management so important? Well, data management is very important because it helps to minimize potential data-related errors via the data integrity and data quality processes. It also helps securing your data in terms of preventing unauthorized access, as well as ensuring redundancy and high availability for your data. It also helps optimizing the use of data within the organization and help complying with data privacy and protection laws and regulations. Now, data is one of the most important assets within an organization, and data management helps efficiently managing this asset, thus helping the organization to reach its strategic goals more easily and with less errors. In the next lecture, we're going to compare data management with data governance.